relationship and marriage is just a part of our lives.
We are delaying our marriage. लोग मेरी जिंदगी से डेली सोप के जैसे दिखने लगे हो. We are rebranding. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I don't put stories for people's birthday. रात भर सोचती हूँ कि सैलरी देने का अकाउंट में पैसा है क्या. प्रोडक्ट बनेगा वो तो तोड़ बनेगा. Parents have seen poverty. This community is the reason I am where I am today. Fully stand in support of the children. This is my MBA on ground. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Long time no life update from Sara. So today आपकी सारा आ गई है आपको life update देने के लिए. I took a question box on my YouTube as well as on my Instagram as usual. हम मेकअप करेंगे, बातें करेंगे, आप अपना खाना, पानी, चाय, नाश्ता जो लाना है, कॉफी of course impulse ले आइए and then हम dive करते हैं ये चीजों से. तो it's like every quarter I like to just catch you all up on anything I must have missed sharing in the vlogs या आप लोग ने vlogs में देखा नहीं होगा and you have not realized that this has now happened. So yeah, with that let's dive straight into this. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget the bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. जीवन में कितनी भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ, 10-15 कंपनी चला लूं, बट लोग पूछेंगे मैडम आप शादी कब कर रहे हो. The first question is, if you already know Reet is the one, why are you delaying marriage? If I already know you are the one, then why am I delaying marriage? By what age do you think I'll be ready for marriage?
See, here's the thing. Marriage is just not between two people, right? Marriage is a lot more than just, living together and getting married. More importantly, our lives don't completely revolve around our relationship. There are other things as well that we have to do. She has her business to grow. She has her career to grow. I have career aspirations. And from the day one of our relationships, we know that we found the person. But that doesn't mean that, we will let go of anything and everything else that is important just to focus on the relationship and the marriage. Relationship and marriage is just a part of our lives. It's not our whole life. So yeah, I mean, marriage is not the whole world, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm offending anyone.
No, it's okay. I mean, it's a personal choice. That's what every video I answer this, and still I get these questions. So today Reet was just passing, and I was like, you need to answer this. To be very honest with y'all, we don't look at marriage as an immediate next goal for ourselves. We, like Reet just said, that relationship should be a part of your life. It should not be your whole life. Like your whole life cannot surround around your partner. Reet is very important to me, and I am very important to him, and we do spend a lot of time with each other. हमारा मतलब जो काम भी है हम ऐसे कोशिश करते हैं कि हम एक दूसरे को टाइम देते देखते करें. जैसे मैं कितना भी बिजी रहूं काम पे, I will come back and we will have game nights together, we'll do date nights together. Yeah, Reet is building his career in Assam, but he will come here, spend 1 month with me and then go back. So we do make each other very important in each other's life. But marriage change, it's that final trademark on your relationship, right? For us, so marriage is like families ka milna, families coming together. I have responsibilities towards his parents, he has responsibilities towards my parents, and then having kids and like starting a new family together. We are not ready for that chapter, which is precisely why we are delaying our marriage and focusing on our careers. And I understand कि आप लोग मेरी जिंदगी से डेली सोप के जैसे दिखने लगे हो. Like literally तुम लोग को लगता है ये रियलिटी टीवी है, and like लाइफ में यही होता है, अभी बॉयफ्रेंड मिल गया तो शादी हो जानी चाहिए. Of course naturally वही होना चाहिए. I understand where y'all are coming from, but that's the life twist. वही twist है हमारी जिंदगी का कि हम शादी नहीं करना चाहते अभी. हमारी लाइफ में हमको नहीं लगता है कि शादी कुछ बदल देगा या कुछ अकॉम्प्लिश होगा. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इंस्टीट्यूशन. बोथ ऑफ अस रिस्पेक्ट मैरिज अ लॉट. लाइक मैरिज इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड वी डेफिनेटली वांट टू गेट मैरिड. ऐसा नहीं कि हम शादी में विश्वास नहीं करते. इट्स जस्ट नॉट द राइट टाइम फॉर अस. एंड आई आल्सो वांट टू से कि यू रियली नीड टू गेट ओवर दिस क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज मैं इतनी थक चुकी हूँ ना ये क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे के, बिकॉज एवरीवन माय एज हैज गॉटन मैरिड. इट फील्स लाइक यू ऑल जस्ट वांट मी टू डू दैट एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. सो स्टॉप प्रेशरिंग मी व्हेन माय पेरेंट्स आर नॉट प्रेशरिंग मी. गाइस प्लीज, this is like social media pressure to get married and it's really tiring. Okay, the next question is very concerning. Are Reet's parents alright as Assam is drowning? Alhamdulillah, Reet's parents live in an area which was not affected by the floods. Upper Assam was affected by the floods. They live in Guwahati. So Guwahati was not that affected and they are safe, Alhamdulillah, but a lot of his extended family did get affected by the floods which stay in Upper Assam. So yeah, that is that, but we've been praying non-stop, contributing putting. I also put donation links in the last vlog. If you've missed it, please check it out, and if you can, please donate to the relief funds, because now the water started drying up and now the dead bodies are coming out and it's just a very, very bad scene in Assam. Right now I'm putting this toner pad, which is from Celimax, by the way, and this I'm putting because मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा breakout कर रही है. This is like my period time. And yeah, the next question is, how do you feel about the phase you are in life right now? Building a business of your own, what are your future ambitions and aspirations? This is a very nice question, and my aspiration now is to truly take Impulse to the next level. I think Impulse has a lot of potential as a brand which I never unlocked because I was so focused on building my content. It's a 4-year-old brand at this point. We turned 5 in December, and the first 3 years मैं सिर्फ अपने content पे ध्यान देती थी, मैं कभी भी business पे नहीं ध्यान देती थी. And of course business takes a backseat, right? I was solo founder, I was the only operator plus influencer. तभी ऐसा नहीं होता था कि you would have somebody run the business and I would just be the brand ambassador. मैं इतनी बड़ी creator ही नहीं थी कि मुझे कोई brand ambassador बनाता था. जब मैंने brand start की थी मेरे 100K ही हुए थे YouTube पे, तो मैं तभी भी सीख रही थी. एंड हर चीज का मैकेनिक, स्पेशली D2C, दैट इज डायरेक्ट टू कंज्यूमर बिजनेस जो मेरा है, मैं डायरेक्टली कंज्यूमर्स को बेचती हूँ, एंड ई-कॉमर्स बिजनेस बहुत इवॉल्व हुआ है इन द लास्ट 4 years, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव नेवर कॉट अप. सो नाउ आई एम इन दैट चैप्टर ऑफ लाइफ वेयर all my energy, all my time, everything I want to put in this business and see where it takes me. I am very ambitious with Impulse and I think it has so much potential which has not been unlocked. I have never grown into different categories. I've never been able to define what the brand's motive is, the brand story, everything. So a lot is going to change at Impulse where all of this will become very clear. Like, because it was called Impulse Coffees, we only became like a coffee brand, and that was actually never my intention. Because when I started the brand also, I was always telling you all, like, मुझे बहुत लोग पूछते थे कि will you do ground coffee, will you do specialty coffee, will you do machines, will you do pods, and my answer was no. My answer was always कि Impulse is instant, everything and anything for instant people who are life on the go. The tagline of the brand is experience the hustle, and it was for hustlers like me. Like, my only ritual at that time was coffee. मुझे कॉफी पीना है, हसल करना है. Like, अभी भी मैंने खाना खा के वीडियो बना रही हूँ, मुझे नींद आ रही है, मुझे कॉफी पीना है, हसल करना है. तो मेरा mindset behind Impulse was hustle, and it was not coffee brand. But somehow, because I never like diversified the category and focused on product a lot, business a lot, strategy a lot, distribution, कितनी सारी चीजें होती है business में. Like, it's not so easy, it's very complex. There are lots of ways and go to market strategies, and मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जितना मैं कर रही हूँ is enough, but definitely not. Every month on month you should scale the business and show that the business has potential to scale. In the last 1 year, my biggest success metric, mashallah, has been that the business has grown month on month. Like, when I started fully focusing on Impulse, we saw growth. We saw every month on month sales increase, customers increase, newer customers coming in the brand, buying from the brand, staying with the brand, or newer things started happening with the brand. So जो coffee love था वो grow होता गया. अभी I am ready to take the next step and really determine where Impulse is headed. So I have been saying lots is changing. We are rebranding. We are changing the look and feel of your coffee jars. They're going to get a cooler look, a cooler upgrade. The coffee is going to remain the same. That's going to change. The new products which are coming, I've told in my vlogs, I'm working on a protein coffee. So basically like your meal replacer protein shake, which will taste really good. It'll be gut friendly. That is all the criteria. Like, I no longer launch a product just because I'm feeling like launching it. अगर मुझे product launch करना है, I talk to my consumers. अभी हमारी customer base ही इतनी अच्छी हो गई है, तो I do a lot of consumer research calls. अगर आपने vlogs में देखा होगा, तो मैं consumers से खुद insights लेती हूँ कि उनको क्या दिक्कतें आ रही है current protein brand से. So I've gotten a lot of insights that I've already received are कि लोगों को gut issues होते हैं, उनको digestion problem होता है, bloating होता है, acne होता है because of proteins on the market. I have hired a full-time formulator at Impulse now, which is a very big expense to make, and that person is now formulating our protein formula customized to all these problems which are existing with the current protein brands. So something that doesn't give you bloating, doesn't cause acne, is safe for PCOS. It's actually better for PCOS because a large part of my community is women, and I want to do protein coffee, of course, is one variant because primarily people know us for coffee, and I think it's a very good multifunctional product. I have protein coffee in the evening now because meal replacer भी हो जाता है, भूख भी नहीं लगती है, पेट भी भर जाता है, and coffee intake भी हो जाता है तुम्हारा, तो तुमको ऐसे caffeinated and energetic भी लगता है. So that's my goal moving forward. My ambition is to make Impulse for the hustlers truly by category diversification, by rebranding, and by a new messaging altogether, and then take it to the next level. And I could never do that before because of course capital restrictions थे, brand में भी कम पैसा था, मैंने भी कम पैसा लगाया था. अभी I've given it my all my savings, everything. I'm totally gambling and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I have really started investing my capital, my savings into Impulse because I believe in this brand and I do want to raise money. I'm very confident in the business I've built and I do want to raise money for it too, but I want to put my money also into the brand because I believe in what I am building. So till that phase comes where I find the right investor for the business, I want to give it my everything. So that's where I'm at. I'm very ambitious, inshallah. I'm working very very hard. If you've not seen my vlogs and understood कि बहुत hard work लगती है business चलाने के लिए, and I've been giving it my all and everything. I've put serum, so let me just get that absorbed. ये pads बहुत अच्छे, they tone your skin and they also have brightening ingredients, so they will brighten these marks and stuff. ये जो acne mark है बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान कर रहा है मुझे currently. ये acne mark इतना बेकार हो गया. Actually I made a mistake over here. मैंने उस रात को ना I put a tretinoin cream and मैंने उसके ऊपर pimple patch लगा के सो गई, तो ये पूरा area जल गया. I made a very big mistake by doing that. It's a skincare rookie mistake and I thought वो acne सुखा देगा, but उसने area ही जला दिया. इतना over exfoliate हो गया वो area, which is why this mark is super pigmented. But yeah, let it be now. Nothing I can do about it. I don't know why I'm getting questions about what happened between Shalini and I. Nothing has happened between me and Shalini. You guys, we are completely fine. I don't know if you all are going off of me wishing people online on birthdays and stuff because I got a few DMs on Instagram ki story nahi dala uske birthday ke liye, so are you not friends with her anymore? That's not the case. I don't put story for any influencer's birthday because I feel like मैं किसी का छोड़ देती हूँ, फिर लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे वो इंसान नहीं पसंद है. ऐसा नहीं है. I wish everyone on my WhatsApp. I message everyone personally the minute their birthdays are. मेरे पास सबके birthdays saved है Google Calendar में, and I wish everyone personally. Quirky is also a very good friend. उसको भी मैंने message करके wish किया. I did not put any story for anyone. I don't think social media is the way to declare. Even for Sharon's birthday, I think I didn't put a story for even Sharon's birthday. So I don't put stories for people's birthday. I have in fact stopped doing that only because it's more like that person से ज़्यादा the society wants validation कि हाँ ये और ये इंसान दोस्त है. उससे अच्छा I just like message them and give them a lot of good wishes, and there's nothing wrong with me and Shalini. We've not met in a really long time and I don't go to creator events, so that's why my interactions are very limited overall only because again I am properly in the corporate life now. I am building my business. That means I am full day in a 9 to 5 job only, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying this part of my life also. I feel like it also keeps me in touch with reality. I was just telling Sharon that only कि yeah, I'm a very different influencer क्योंकि I'm not the influencer brand that has a different operator, right? Like Vimarsh is the operator at Underneat. Underneat is Kusha Kapila's brand, but Ghazal is the investor, Kusha is the face, and Vimarsh is the operator. Here, Sara Sarosh is the operator, the influencer, and the investor. There is nobody else. I have a very good team, mashallah, and I am building my team as I go and as I get more capital from the company, but that doesn't mean that I have a different, like a co-founder or somebody. And at that time when I started this business, तभी मुझे ये सब का knowledge भी नहीं था कि ऐसे business करना चाहिए. This is the MAC concealer, by the way, that I'm just using to cover my dark spots. I'm just gonna let this set a little bit and then I will blend it. And yeah, I don't have a different person running the show. I have a team, but everybody needs me at the head of it all to decide the marketing strategy, the go-to-market strategy, the distribution strategy. I approve those things. I have to have learned this the hard way that if I want my business to scale, मैं उसको part-time business के जैसा नहीं treat कर सकती जो मैं पहले किया करती थी. So that's why वो घर से office की journey जो थी मुझे लेनी पड़ी ताकि I also start going to office and taking this very seriously कि this has to be a scalable business that can be taken seriously, and the numbers are good, but the founder also should be somebody who's invested in the business, not just monetarily but her whole and soul, and I am that founder. So there's a very big difference in the scaling brands you see like Beast Life and Underneat because they have a different operator, a different investor, and they themselves are just the face of the brand. Whereas here मैं product में भी involved हूँ, मैं manufacturers call भी करती हूँ, मैं Blinkit के साथ भी calls लेती हूँ कि हाँ यहाँ जाना है, ये locations unlock करने हैं. Amazon में भी क्या क्या दिक्कतें आती है मैं देखती हूँ. Whereas I do have an e-commerce head, a operations head, a marketing head. I have these people, but I am very much involved in the business, and that's the difference between scalable brands like this and my brand. And I want that team also to come in. I want somebody to have a big investor and an operator and stuff like that, but it'll come with time. Since I didn't build with those people, it will come with trusting the right people and like meeting and making connections and networks, etc. And honestly, doing all of this is also giving me great touch with reality because when I'm building this company and having all these people work at my business, I realize how normal people function, dude. After a point, influencers lose touch with reality. You are just influencer content creation is hard. I'm not going to say it's not hard, but it is a lot of money for the work you do, and once you get that capital, just traveling abroad and buying fancy things become your life, because और क्या ही करोगे तुम वही करते हो and then वही तुम्हारा content बन जाता है, and then you lose touch with reality. Because I know it's hard doing content. मैं कभी भी justify नहीं करी कि content creation easy profession है. At this point मुझे दोनों profession balance करने कितना मुश्किल होता है I know, क्योंकि content बनाने के लिए भी मुझे time चाहिए जो मुझे नहीं मिलता है. So now my content sacrifices at the cost of the company. But at the same time, being a content creator does make you lose touch with reality. But having this business keeps me very grounded. It really gives me that दाल आटे का भाव कि actually लोग कैसी जिंदगी जी रहे, रोज काम पे जा रहे हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, पैसा कमा रहे हैं, and then अपने घर पे जा रहे हैं. And I am also living that life now. It humbles me, it grounds me, and it gives me great like sense of responsibility, because now I am responsible for all these people who come and work at Impulse, and for all these people to feel valuable. My company needs to succeed and do well. So I feel responsible also for these people, and it actually makes me very happy to be a founder as compared to just being an influencer like before. I think when I was younger, मैं बच्ची थी, मैंने जब content creation start किया तभी मेरे पास ज्यादा कुछ करने को था नहीं, तो तभी मुझे बहुत मजा आता था content करने के लिए. But अब जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ, मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि actually काम की क्या value होती है, and you know पैसे कमाने के लिए क्या लगता है, and वो मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है देखने के लिए, करने के लिए. It really like I don't know how to explain it to y'all, because a lot of y'all must be having regular jobs, right? You work so hard to get your money home, and you do so much to just ensure that you have like a car at home, or your bills are paid, or your loan is paid. And I think as an influencer you lose touch with that, because your check size is bigger. Like to pay my loan I need one check, that's it, and mashallah my loan is paid. So as an influencer I can very well be like हवे में very easily. But as that brand founder जिसको कोई महीने सैलरीज देने के लिए मैं रात भर सोचती हूँ कि सैलरी देने का अकाउंट में पैसा है क्या, तो you know वैसा मेरे दिन आ गए कि मैं अभी लिटरली मेरे इन्फ्लुएंसर चेक से आई पुट अकाउंट में पैसा कंपनी के अकाउंट में कि कल सबकी सैलरी डेबिट हो जाए और पैसा हो अकाउंट में. तो ऐसे दिन मैं अभी देख रही हूँ, एंड वो मुझे बहुत हम्बल कर रहा है कि पैसों की क्या वैल्यू होती है लाइफ में सब लोगों की, एंड वो आउट ऑफ टच नहीं जाना चाहिए कभी भी इंसान को. तो इट्स वेरी हम्बलिंग एक्सपीरियंस टू रन अ बिजनेस, एंड इट रियली टीचेस यू अ लॉट, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट फ्रूगली. इट्स नॉट लाइक माय पेरेंट्स हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मनी दैट दे हैव जस्ट गिवन मी एंड बीन लाइक ये ले बेटा कोशिश करके देख, अगर ये बिजनेस चला तो ठीक है, नहीं चला तो पैसे जला देना, चलेगा कोई बात नहीं, कुछ सीख के तो निकली. माय पेरेंट्स कांट गिव दैट टू मी. दे हैड हाउ मच दे हैड, दे आर रिटायर्ड नाउ, दे आर लिविंग देयर लाइफ. सो उन लोग की उनकी लाइफ में सीमित है. मैं जो भी गैम्बल कर रही हूँ बिजनेस में, मैं खुद के पैसों से कर रही हूँ, तो वो मुझे एक अलग ही वैल्यू है उस पैसों का, क्योंकि मैंने मेहनत करके उसको कमाया है. अब मैं उसको गैम्बल कर रही हूँ बिजनेस में, मतलब इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ और देखूंगी कि कैसे उसको मैं रिटर्न्स ला सकती हूँ. तो वो एक अलग लेवल की फ्रूगैलिटी एंड कुछ और ही सिखा के निकलेगा ये. मतलब यू नो आई ऑलवेज टेल दिस, लाइक माय फ्रेंड्स एंड आई व्हेन वी डिस्कस कि अगर इम्पल्स कल को खुदा ना करे, ना चले, एंड यू नो इफ दिस बिजनेस इज नॉट सक्सेसफुल, गॉड फॉरबिड, द वे आई हैव प्लान्ड इट, आई वुड हैव स्टिल नॉट लॉस्ट money. This is my on ground MBA that cost me crores of rupees to learn, but I've learned a lot from this brand, and I will learn a lot when I leave. And tomorrow if I ever start again, maybe at 40, at 45, I will be having learned a lot, but I will still make mistakes. You can never not make mistakes, because the world evolves behind you. Today with AI, with everything else, the world moves very fast. You make a lot of mistakes, but you learn also very fast, and you learn very fast and you grow very fast. So that is the advantage you have. So no matter what age you start your business, no matter क्या डिग्री आपके पास है, क्या बैकिंग आपके पास है, मिस्टेक्स तो सभी लोग करेंगे. इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउ मच गट्स यू हैव कि वो मिस्टेक के बावजूद तुम खड़े हो के आगे बढ़ो, यू नो. तो बिजनेस आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाता है, एंड लाइफ ही आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाती है. आई थिंक इवन इफ यू डू अ जॉब, अ कॉर्पोरेट जॉब समवेयर, यू विल लर्न सो मच. इन योर नेक्स्ट जॉब यू विल अप्लाई ऑल दैट, बट यू विल अगेन मेक मिस्टेक्स, एंड देन अगेन यू लर्न सो मच, एंड दैट्स हाउ लाइफ इज. सो इवन इफ टुमारो Impulse is not successful, God forbid, Reet always tells me this, that it's okay, so what? So you learned, and you learned so much, and that is your MBA fees, which your degree will not buy you, but this business bought you. And this is my MBA on ground, and that's the cost of learning it. But I have a lot of vigor. One thing I've learned, especially when the warehouse fire had happened last year, I did sit with myself and I was like, if I shut now, it's an easy way out because now तो सभी जल गया ना. I'm ground zero. तो ground zero से वापस खड़ा करने की क्या जरूरत है? बंद ही कर देते हैं ब्रांड. But तभी I was like, मैं क्या करूँगी लाइफ के साथ? Like what will I do? I really love this company. I really want to build this company. My company is everything to me, and that's when I truly learned that Impulse means a lot to me, and I'm very passionate to do this. So I will do this no matter what. If I lose everything today also, I will do it. That was a very big eye opener for me that I really want to do this with all my heart and not just because मैंने शुरू किया है तो मुझे करना है. Next question is, where is Sharon? Sharon is right in front of me. Yes, that is her. God, can you see the smile on my face, which is back ever since that girl is back, mashallah. Sharon was very sick, and again, not my story to tell, so I will not. उसको जब मन करेगा, she will share. But she was very sick, and so she was on a 2-month sick leave, just getting better and healing, etc. And that's why there was nobody at content business पे. इसीलिए मेरा इतना content कम आ रहा था, and I was not posting regularly on Instagram, YouTube, because मैं जब ऑफिस जाती थी, usually Sharon used to take care of uploads, edit हो रहा है content, post हो रहा है content, वो सब उस पे ध्यान देती थी. कोई था ही नहीं उस पे ध्यान देने के लिए, इसलिए content also suffered. But I was also so sad because she's like I can't choose that, but she is my most favorite person in office. And I think always she's my right hand, and the right hand person is always the closest. So I was also missing her a lot in office, like her energy, and she's just come back. Not yet completely healed, but she was missing work also because imagine who will not miss working with me. But yeah, she was missing work, so she's back. She's not yet completely better, so you all have to keep praying for her and don't lagao nazar that she's back. So please keep praying that she gets better completely and can work the way she used to work before, not have any pains and aches, and never have to go through what she went through ever again. The next question is, hey Sarah, hope you're doing absolutely fab. Thank you, I am. I hope you are too. Very excited for the protein coffee. Please do take us through the entire BTS process after it's out, or anything you can spill or hint now. And okay, she has lots of questions. Protein coffee is the most exciting project of mine since last year. जब last year ही हमने लोगों को पूछा था कि what do you want to see next, that was that health wave coming on social media and people putting protein in atta and bread and pasta and everything, and people were like, no, we want protein coffee, we want protein, and I was like, that's such a brilliant idea. But once we started formulating it, we've seen so many hiccups because one, what source of protein do you want? I want one clean source. I don't want to mix. Ways become very expensive. वे में आजकल जो आप अगर सस्ता क्वालिटी का वे देखोगे ना, जो भी सस्ता आ रहा है आपको 2000 की प्राइस में, वो सब में मिलावट होगी बिकॉज वे का कॉस्ट ही अभी बहुत महंगा हो गया. तो इट विल बी वे कॉन्सेंट्रेट, वे आइसोलेट, ईस्ट, सोय, प्लांट सब मिक्स करके दे रहे. तो यू डोंट नो विच इज वन सोर्स ऑफ क्लीन प्रोटीन यू आर गेटिंग. सो आई वाज वेरी श्योर आई वांट वन सोर्स ऑफ क्लीन प्रोटीन विच इज समथिंग दैट पीपल कैन अफोर्ड. कॉफी तो अपनी होगी, इम्पल्स का ही डालेंगे हम रॉ मटेरियल. एंड व्हाट एल्स, आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग लाइक कंज्यूमर स्टडी व्हाइल वी वर फॉर्मुलेटिंग द प्रोडक्ट. सो वी केम टू नो मोर ऑफ व्हाट पीपल वांट. कि लोगों को ब्लोटिंग बहुत होता है, डाइजेस्टिव इशू बहुत होता है, ये सारी चीजें जब हमको समझने लगी तो हम वैसे वैसे फॉर्मूला को अडेप्ट करते गए. सो आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट स्पोकन टू 250 consumers at this point and formulated this product one on one. I have spoken to these people, hired a formulator and am formulating. So जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा वो तो तोड़ बनेगा, that I can tell you for sure. कि टेस्ट भी अच्छा करेगा, आपको इम्पल्स कॉफी का वो किक भी आएगा, प्रोटीन इनटेक भी आपको क्लिनिकल डोजेज मिलेगा. It will be the best product you will ever see in the market only. Like I definitely want to break the market with this product. It is a very competitive category to get into, that's for sure, because abhi every Tom, Dick and Harry is like launching a protein powder. So that's for sure that I am entering a competitive category, but I'm confident about my product and I'm confident in you guys to support me when it comes out. I will take you all through the BTS, that's for sure. That's my favorite part to do, like sit down and tell your guys ऐसे हुआ, ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ. आपको सब कुछ बताऊंगी when it launches कि क्या क्या जर्नी थी and कैसे शुरू किया etc. and सारे सैंपल्स में क्या इतने गंदे सैंपल्स पिए ना मैंने प्रोटीन के नाम पे. मैं उल्टियां कर देती थी स्टार्टिंग के सैंपल्स पी के, एंड दोस मैन्युफैक्चरर्स यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि अरे ये तो ये ब्रांड का प्रोटीन हमने आपको दिया, वो भी आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा. आई एम लाइक ब्रो, हाउ आर पीपल सेलिंग दिस? एंड माय क्राइटेरिया इज दैट इट हैज टू टेस्ट गुड इन वाटर बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ द कंज्यूमर्स आर लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट. नाउ इंडियंस आर रियलाइजिंग दैट दे आर लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट एंड नॉट एवरीबody wants to have milk. I don't have my protein in milk. Yes, people do make milkshakes out of it, but you don't want to always have it with milk, right? I तो have protein shake only when I'm on the go, when I'm traveling, तो मैं उसको मेरी पानी के बॉटल में डाल के पी लेती हूँ, तो मेरा प्रोटीन इंटेक हो जाना चाहिए, स्पेशली ट्रैक्स वगैरह पे या हाइकिंग पे, या यू नो जब हम लोग मेघालय वगैरह जाते हैं तो प्रोटीन शेक इज अ मस्ट फॉर अस. तो दैट इज द क्राइटेरिया. हु इज गोइंग टू go bring milk and then put it in milk and have it? It has to taste good in water only. That's the criteria. With Impulse coffees, one thing I know I've done is that one year trust on taste. Impulse की कोई भी कॉफी पियो, टेस्ट परफेक्ट होता है. कॉफी 100% अरेबिका, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. आई डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद क्वालिटी. तो वही आपको मिलेगा प्रोटीन में भी, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में. Impulse या आइस टी भी अगर आप देखोगे एकदम टॉप टियर प्रोडक्ट बनाया मैंने आइस टी के साथ, द शुगर फ्री वन. दे टेस्ट गुड, दे हैव नो शुगर स्पाइक बिकॉज इट हैज zero like added sugar. It is those low calorie sweeteners don't give you a sugar spike, and it has vitamins, so it feels so good. I am always like a perpetual health journey. My health journey is not कि मेरे को इतने किलो lose करने life में. It's more about just living a healthy and good life while being such a busy person and such a stressed person. And in that life, these products fit perfectly. And the next question is, please tell us, when is the annual Sarosh family trip? We love it, or any other travel with Sar. Travel with Sar is coming very soon. बट एनुअल सरोज फैमिली ट्रिप के लिए अभी सरोज फैमिली ने जस्ट वीजा लगाया है, तो अभी सरोज फैमिली निकलने का प्लान करेगी. कौन से महीने में जाएंगे दैट वी आर येट टू डिटरमाइन, बट वीजा तो लग चुका है सरोज फैमिली का. मैं होपफुल थी कि एक पूरे साल का लगेगा, बट मम्मी गॉट 1 year visa, dad got only 6 months because his passport was expiring. Anyway, next I'm going to use this blush, my favorite blush of all time. This is Patrick Ta, and this is the darkest color I picked up from there. It's called She Knows Who She Is. Look at this color. It's so I want to eat it. I'm going to use my fingers. It's very pigmented, huh guys? Very pigmented. Your favorite quote? How do you stay motivated when you don't feel like doing anything? My favorite quote, I used to have this painting in my bedroom. मेरे बचपन के bedroom में. अभी मेरे पास ऐसा कोई favorite quote लिखा हुआ नहीं है कहीं पे. I had painted it because I used to love painting before, and it was written and it was in my bedroom all the time, and I used to look at it and said, in the end you will always regret the chances you didn't take. And I live by it even today, that I will regret the chances. Whatever chance आपने कभी भी मेरे को life में देखा होगा ना, मुझे कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, आई एम लाइक चलो करते हैं. लाइक कुछ भी आड़ा टेढ़ा अतरंगी, आई हैव बीन लाइक चलो करते हैं. वेरी फ्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज आई मस्ट हैव लाइक रियली assessed and been like this is stupid and I should not do it. But otherwise I'm a very चलो करते हैं kind of person, because I never want to live with regret कि अगर ये किया होता तो क्या होता, you know, that kind of life. And how do I stay motivated? I think on some days, even if you don't have motivation, you should have discipline. You should have discipline कि हाँ रोज उठना है, काम पे जाना है, जिम जाना है, and then that will start compounding and you will become this person who will love the end result. Because if you do effort only, you will see end result. Lazy रहने से, बस पड़े रहने से कुछ नहीं होता है लाइफ में. I grew up middle class. Like no matter when I say it in vlogs, people are like, oh, middle class people didn't travel abroad, middle class people didn't do this. That's not how it was. When my first trip, when my parents took us to Dubai, मैं 7 साल की थी. That full trip was sponsored by my mama. My parents never even had the money to take us to Dubai, and हम उधर दुबई गए थे क्योंकि मेरे मामा का घर था उधर. That is Mali's father. You'll ask in my vlogs, no, where are Mali's parents? They are in Dubai. And Mali's father had, well, that's my mama, had sponsored that entire trip for us to come to Dubai and see an international country, क्योंकि आज तक हम international कभी घूमने नहीं गए थे. हम बिल्कुल पैसों से. My parents have seen poverty, like not even middle class, they've seen poverty. उधर से धीरे धीरे चढ़ के मम्मी पापा ने बहुत मेहनत करके मिडिल क्लास पे है. मिडिल क्लास से फिर वो जो घर में आज रहते उधर तक अपर मिडिल क्लास पे है. वो अपर मिडिल क्लास से आज मैं जिधर आई हूँ, माशाल्लाह उधर आई हूँ. तो मुझे एक मोटिवेशन है कि मेहनत करने से ना तुम जनरेशनल साइकिल ऑफ सेटलिंग फॉर लेस तोड़ सकते हो. एंड वो उसका बहुत मुझे चस्का है कि आई डोंट वांट टू एवर वांट माय चिल्ड्रन टू एवर लुक बैक एंड बी लाइक माय पेरेंट्स नेवर हैड इट इन देम टू गिव अस, सो फिर हमको भी स्क्रैच से करना पड़ा, यू नो. तो वो एक जनरेशनल साइकिल मुझे तोड़ने का बहुत वो है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी बहुत मेहनत की टू गेट अस टू दैट अपर मिडिल क्लास लाइफस्टाइल फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी, एंड आई वांट टू डू द सेम टू गेट माय चिल्ड्रन समवेयर. सो आई हैव lot of jazba inside me to do that, which is where my motivation comes from. वापस शादी this year नहीं होगी, year खत्म हो रहा है, जा रहा है मुझे घर अगले महीने गुवाहाटी. Hi, I have a best friend, but I don't think I'm her best friend, and it really hurts. Also, I have a friend who always flexes her money, but she often makes up stories to everyone to feel inferior. It gets really annoying. As a big sister, what's your advice? I'm assuming you're really small, because when I was younger, I had all these kind of friends. People used to flex their money, who used to, you know, उनकी friendship खरीदने के लिए ऐसा लगता था कि हमको कुछ validation मतलब करना पड़ेगा, then only I'm worth being their friend. ऐसे बहुत बहुत लोग थे, but slowly you grow up and you realize what stupid friends they were, and they were never worth being called friends. And you will grow up and find your people. Like all the friends I have today are my friends from school only. They're all my valuable, cherished people till today. And apart from that, I don't have a lot of friends, in fact, who like my team members only I chill with most of the time, or I have my girls that I'm on video call with because they don't stay in this country. That's it, and that's okay. You don't need the whole gav to be your friend. You just need one or two very good people, and they are going to be your people for the rest of your life. ये सारे लोग जो आपको नहीं अच्छा फील कराते हैं ना अपने बारे में, उनकी कंपनी में आपको एकदम खुशी नहीं मिलती है, they're not worth keeping. Just that's it. You won't end up lonely. Trust me, eventually we're all lonely. We're all alone. We're all growing up alone in our journey, because at some point or the other, the noise will cut out and you will be on one journey of life. And that's what you're going to enjoy the most. You should love yourself the most. Baki, everything is noise. Okay, I'm going to use this spray from Pack Cosmetics just to melt my makeup, called Everstay. I did test it that day. एकदम long wearing नहीं करता है makeup, but I do love pack sprays and the mist, and just wanted some hydration on my skin. The makeup products I love, which I will link. This Huda powder, you know I love it. Patricia की blush तो इंडिया में नहीं मिलते हैं. मैंने concealer में दो mix किया था, Dior and MAC. I love the MAC one. I love the Dior one for highlighting and MAC for concealing. Now I'm gonna bronze using the Ilia foundation stick in the shade 37N, और ये भी इंडिया में नहीं मिलता है. But I love this for bronzing. You get Rare Beauty ka bronzer in India, which also I have and I love, so you can probably get that just to add some dimension to my face. Do you ever regret becoming an influencer instead of a doctor? Love your content. I don't regret it. I think being an influencer is what got me where I am today. My community is my prized possession, you know. अगर मुझे कोई बोलता है, like मुझे last to last vlog में comment आया था कि हमने आपको बनाया है और आपको YouTube की वजह से fame मिला है, तो how can you not upload regularly on YouTube and stuff. And मुझे बहुत hurt हुआ वो comment पढ़ के, क्योंकि I was like, they are right. Like they should not have to pay the price of me starting this business, because I want to give you all content. I want to give regular content, as much regular and good content as I can give. मुझे देना है. This community is the reason I am where I am today, and I never want to lose it. तो influencer बनने से तो मुझे कभी भी regret नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि आज influence की वजह से ही मैं, मतलब वो मेरा rocket fuel है. आप लोग मेरे fuel हो, उससे मैं rocket चला रही हूँ, तो वो मुझे कभी give up नहीं करना. बाकी when it comes to becoming a doctor, I was an occupational therapist as per degree, and I practiced it. It was a beautiful profession. अगर मैं US गई होती तो मेरी life शायद अच्छी होती और मुझे OT में बहुत progress मिलता, success मिलता. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं तभी भी content बनाती थी, because मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है content बनाना. तो I would end up, you know, doing day in my life content as a therapist or something. मैं हमेशा content तो बनाती है, I feel, and eventually शायद कुछ और ही करती, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ऐसी चुलबुली हूँ, मतलब एक ही चीज में I don't stay. So to answer your question, I don't regret becoming an influencer at any point. I feel like influence and content creation would have always found its way into my life. I was a very creative person. I love creating content. So I will never stop doing that. That's for sure. And I will never like regret this journey ever in my life. I always say this. I will vlog the day I die, and that will be a vlog on my channel also. So yeah, I don't think I'll ever stop doing what I'm doing. I'm just mattifying everything with this Huda Beauty pressed powder. Huda's powders are brilliant products. Just makes everything so seamless, and I think that's her award-winning product for sure. There's nobody on this earth who has and who can even copy this formula. This is my favorite. This and this. But this is the best. ये खरीदो, ये नहीं जरूरत है. If you are on a budget, just buy the loose powder. That's enough. वो भी छोटू वाला is enough. Don't even need to buy the big size. I've changed the lighting to white because it's become gloomy outside. It's gonna rain, and I just saw that the last clip was very yellow, so I'm sorry about that. I think this lighting should be better, more even. The next question is, what is your opinion on influencer friendship? Since we don't see you with so many these days. You don't see me with influencers as such, because I mean, I don't go to events. If you don't go to events, everyone's busy in their own life. Everyone has their own life and they're leading it and they're busy, and I really respect that. And content creation is also another business जो लोग रोज करते हैं, तो उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता किसी के साथ भी मिलने के लिए. अगर इवेंट पे हम मिल लिए. But I do have a lot of friends that I really hold close to my heart from this industry and love meeting them whenever the occasion permits, like Sam, Shalini, Shivi, Worky, so many, Mridul, and all these people. Like जब भी मौका मिले मिल लेते हैं. But मैं तो तमन्ना से साल में 3 बार मिलती हूँ लगता है, जो actually मतलब बचपन की यार है, मेरी दोस्त है. तो I feel like friendships are great, but the more you grow older, the lesser time you get with your friends, and that is the harsh reality. That is how it is. You have to build your life alone. मेरे को मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ ही barely टाइम मिलता है, तो फ्रेंड्स तो बहुत दूर की बात है कि मैं फ्रेंडशिप्स रख पाती हूँ. बट दैट डजंट मीन मैं रिलेशन नहीं रखती. सबके साथ मेरे रिलेशन अच्छे ही है. मतलब आई कीप इन टच विद एवरीवन, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. बहुत अंधेरा हो गया है ना एकदम से. वी आर ऑल्सो फिल्मिंग दिस ऑन द फोन, यू गाइज, नॉट ऑन द कैमरा. सो प्लीज गिव मी फीडबैक दैट डू यू लाइक दिस. This is lesser तामझाम for us for sure. I've also seen a lot of creators film on the iPhone lately because iPhone की quality इतनी अच्छी होती है कि you don't have to like put all that camera and all. Like I was just thinking the other day that पहले ना पैसा आता था तो मैं सोचती थी equipment upgrade करूंगी. अभी हम like next iPhone आएगा तो ले लूंगी. Like अभी equipment upgrade क्या होता है? Like everything's become so compact and concise, which I love. Back in the day, beauty influencer content meant big camera, big lens, बड़ी लाइटें और ऐसी content होता था shoot. और अभी सब लोग फोन पे और कॉम्पैक्ट लाइटिंग पे शूट करते हैं. और वैसे भी मैं सिर्फ ब्यूटी तो नहीं बनाती, मैं लाइफस्टाइल ही व्लॉगिंग करती हूँ. और व्लॉगिंग के लिए भी वो ऑस्मो को छोड़ के कोई अच्छा कैमरा तो है नहीं, वो मेरे पास है. सो देयर इज नो इक्विपमेंट अपग्रेड एज सच टू डू विथ योर मनी. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. G7X भी मैंने 1.5 लाख का कैमरा ली, वो भी ब्लैक मार्केट से. वो भी पड़ा है ऐसी. मैं तो फोटो भी नहीं खींचती उस पर दूसरे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के जैसा. और जबकि मेरे पास था G7X, आई हैड द ओल्ड वन ऑल्सो एंड आई थॉट द न्यू वन, द Mark 3 will be any better and allow me to vlog. But I just vlogged my Umrah with that and everyone was like, please don't use this again, it's shaking too much. I was like, okay fine, I'll use my phone only. I hope the next iPhone is 3TB. If it's 3TB, I'll get it. At this point, my data is in 14 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max and 17 Pro Max. I have all the Pro Maxes in this house because iPhone is the best investment I've ever made as a creator, and I just keep making it because it always compounds. I'm using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. All the things that used to give me so much joy back in the day, like पैसा आएगा तो मैं ये लिपस्टिक खरीदूंगी, पैसा आएगा तो मैं ये eyeshadow palette खरीदूंगी. I remember doing all that so much, and now I've really grown up. Like the only thing I buy is body wash and body lotion. बाकी सब माशाल्लाह से या तो PR में आ जाता है, PR में भी आता है तो I just put it and give away. तो हम लोग एक इंसान एक थोबड़े पे कितना लगाएगा बस. मैं तो कोरिया जाके भी इम्प्रेस नहीं हुई क्योंकि क्या था कि सब अभी इंडिया में मिलता है. तो मुझे like everyone was like, how did you not find Korea lovely? I was like, I loved Japan more than I loved Korea. Let's just end this debate once and for all that Japan or Korea. Japan. I want to go back to Japan because Japan has a lot more to offer than just skincare. There is so much more in Japan. Culture, food. That time I should drink also. So drinks, bars, everything. Like Japanese people drink a lot. So I won't do that now, but there's still a lot to do. There was Harry Potter land. There was Disney. There was all of that also. There was no Harry Potter in Korea. There was no fandom only. There was viral stuff like we saw Ube. We saw Dubai chocolate kunafa, that Gangnam style. Chocolate kunafa Dubai का तो दुबई में इतना नहीं देखी मैंने जितना कोरिया में देखी. उसके बाद मैं दुबई गई थी, उधर मेरे को कहीं दुबई चॉकलेट नहीं दिखा जितना मेरे को कोरिया में दिख रहा था. So that's crazy how much Koreans rely on fandom. I love the shade Sienna from this palette. Some days when I'm doing makeup, I just put this on my like lid and I'll put eyeliner and it looks so pretty. Even to go to events and all, this is the makeup I do. This is not my foolproof routine, which I promise you all I will do. I will do it in a different like dedicated makeup video. But this is just the makeup I do when I have to film content and look presentable. I do it a lot faster if I'm not talking. Is Mally settling in Mumbai then with you guys for now? Isn't he a Dubai citizen? You can't be a Dubai citizen no matter how much you stay in Dubai. So Dubai में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The max they give you is the golden visa if you invest and if you have certain income bracket or something like that. I was planning to apply for the golden visa, but it's very expensive to apply and it's unnecessary for me. But yeah, he's not a Dubai citizen. He's an Indian citizen. उसका passport renew करवाना था इसलिए वो इंडिया आया था from New York. But उसकी education हो गई है. Now he is deciding उसको कौन सी country जाना है. दुबई जाना है, यूरोप जाना है या वापस न्यूयॉर्क जाना है. So he's not settled here, but yeah, he's also planning to see what India has to offer. So he might stay for 1-2 years in India and figure his life. So he's in his figuring life out era. And while he does that, we just thought we can stay together because Nani's house is very village coded. Like Nani's lives a proper gaon ka life in Mud Island, like Mangalore only, which of course does not suit him. But right now he's not at home. He's gone to Mud Island only. So his parents stay in Dubai and he stays here. And he might go to Dubai once his passport comes back for some time. Unless he gets a job over there, not there. I don't know. He's not keen on going to Dubai. You'll have to ask him only what his plan is, not me. We also don't know what his plan is actually. Are you gonna move out of the Sara Squad house soon? Ooh, that's a very nice question because I do think about it every time. Mumbai is such a fascinating place to be in because every time you'll cross a street and a new project has come up and a new building has come up. Like where my parents stay na, uske aage itna acha project aa raha hai and my mom keeps crossing it every day and my mom's a real estate paglu and my dad is like abhi mera ho gaya uska sar kha ke to abhi tera khayegi because now my mom is like tu kharid tu idhar kharid tu udhar kharid. So it is a very fascinating thing to move houses but I'm very content क्योंकि you know मैंने हर 2 साल में घर बदलिया जो मैं भाड़े पे रहती थी. अब जब 2 साल होने आ रहा था ना घर का I was like shit मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं. I don't have to move houses and that was such a nice feeling to have that for the first time I'm not scared that a landlord will kick me out or the rent will increase or something like that. If anything, alhamdulillah, the rate of interest of home loan has come down. My rate of interest started with 8.5 and today it's 7.2 mashallah. So it's come down my home loan ka interest. So I'm very happy with my decision of buying a house. I want to be here for as long as I need to and I think the next house I will buy will be probably closer to if and when Reet and I want to get married so that we buy a bigger house if at all in Bombay. You know he doesn't like Bombay so I don't know how that is going to go but if only I have to buy also I will buy a bigger house. Who will buy a 2 BHK again because I really like this house. I love the area. I love everything about this building. Everything is nice. The only thing about this building it's not a very kid friendly building because इस building में ऐसा कोई kids area या play area या playground भी नहीं है you know बच्चे लोग को run करके खेलने के लिए भी कुछ जगह नहीं है. It's a very सीधा सीधा building with a lot of amenities like gym pool वगैरह वो सब एकदम fancy है तो बड़े लोग के लिए बहुत अच्छा है but बच्चे लोग के लिए खेलने के लिए जगह नहीं है. And रीत गांव से आता है उसका बड़ा गांव में घर है like with a big village and farm life and massive area to play for kids and all and he wants that life for children so we'll see. Really I'm gonna use a Kiro liner. My thoughts on the protest that happened and all the creators avoided speaking about it at all. So whenever there's an activation happening be it anything that I believe in I just repost resources that I see online जिसपे मैं believe करती हूँ and जो I feel are verified resources I only repost that. बाकी अपने खुद के मुंह से मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोलती हूँ because it can be twisted and taken in a lot of different ways. It has happened to me very brutally before and so I'm very scared of opening my mouth but I did fully stand in support of the children. The children had to win in this case. Children have won before when they've protested. They had to win. I had no doubt कि बच्चे ही जीतेंगे इसमें क्योंकि पहले भी जीते हैं और मेरे साल में ही था वो जो पूरा हुआ था 2016 में भी जब पेपर लीक हुआ था बच्चे लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया था ये सब मेरे ही साल में हुआ था जिस साल मैंने एग्जाम दी. तो how can you even say that I was not in very much in touch with what was happening? In fact I was not posting content at all, not on YouTube, not on Instagram, just in touch with what was happening online that time and I knew the children were going to win. Now how much the system will change वो तो वक्त ही बताएगा because जब 2016 में हुआ था सब कुछ हुआ हमको एडमिशन मिल गया वो साल में तो इनफैक्ट मेरी पढ़ाई नवंबर में शुरू हुई थी. यूजुअली सितंबर में एडमिशन होना चाहिए था बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस प्रोटेस्ट सब डिले हो गया था. नवंबर में शुरू हुआ था पढ़ाई हम लोग का एडमिशन एंड पढ़ाई तो हमारा फर्स्ट ईयर कट शॉर्ट हो गया था. सो ऑलवेज द चिल्ड्रन ओनली सफर इन दीज केसेस. हम सब जो दूसरे आजू बाजू के लोग हैं वी मूव ऑन विद आवर लाइफ. वी सफर्ड इन आवर ईयर. दिस बैच ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विल सफर. हाउ मच द सिस्टम एंड द एजुकेशन system changes the government needs to realize on its own and you know make fixes and take accountability because the youth is the future of our nation. If they don't get the right of what they're looking for then we don't have right to question them on why they go abroad. Why do privileged children leave India and go abroad? This is exactly the reason why. Even I as a child who was studying for OT and all my friends everyone's gone abroad. Educated individuals don't want to stay in the country anymore. वो तो business वाले ही रह जाते हैं धंधा ही रह जाता है तो कि धंधा करने की जगह है. बाकी अगर आप देखोगे सच्ची में तो पढ़ाई वाले लोग सब भागना ही चाहते हैं because that scope of education which is why international students are protesting कि Indians are coming and taking our jobs. In London, in UK and all if you'll see there are protests happening that immigrants are coming and taking their jobs but that's because Indians are not getting valued in our own country, right? So educated Indians are all leaving. For lip I have some new Faye Beauty lip whips so I'm gonna use this shade. I love the shade Revenge, you know I love it. This is my favorite red like dark red lip color. I don't think I want to do that. I'll do this shade called Toxic. I think it's a dark brown. Nice. I love a dark brown also. I'm looking for oh my god मेरी सारी लिपस्टिक्स पता नहीं ये plum color है. They've not sent any nude. No nude has been sent. Okay. Then let me try this lipstick. This is Stays 9 to 9. I want to actually do a reel on this. It's that मुझे शालिनी ने recommend की थी ये lipstick. She uses it a lot. This is that two-sided lipstick जिसमें एक side lipstick होता है दूसरे side I don't know if it's gonna suit me. So let's do lip line करते हैं Faye Beauty के साथ and Stays के साथ भर देंगे. Wrap up rapid fire. I'm gonna do via Instagram questions because Instagram is instant. How did you come over the factory factory loss tragedy. Have you taken any loans? That's the factory fire. It was not a factory fire, it was a warehouse fire. So storage goods all sub-zero ho gaya tha. We did take a loan actually to get over that. It's a 45 lakh overdraft. Overdraft basically ऐसा होता है कि तुमको मिलता है और जितने दिन तुम उसको यूज करो तुमको इंटरेस्ट लगता है, फिर तुम पैसा वापस डाल दो तो तुमको इंटरेस्ट नहीं लगता. So overdraft gives you a good working capex. Like it allows me to just take money and buy inventory and then again put money back जब मेरी sales हो जाए. तो मुझे लोन लेना पड़ा. I couldn't just do it with my savings. I thought I would be able to, but I couldn't. Hypothetically, how many kids would you want? Like, what's your ideal number? I would listen and then laugh and spoil answers. What a nice color, wow. I would want to have 2 children because I'm 2. Like my mom had 2 children, me and my sister. Although my sister and I are not the closest siblings, but I know if you have them closer, and one of the reasons why we are not very close is because we have 7 years age gap. But I think if you have siblings closer to age, you're closer. But I don't know actually. We will see. We will try for 1 and अगर हमसे झेल पाया तो हम दूसरे की कोशिश करेंगे, वरना एक पे रुक जाएंगे. रीत का वही फंड है, एक करके देखते कैसा लग रहा है. नहीं अच्छा लगा तो we will just stop. But yeah, 1 तो we will do for sure. When are you getting married? We want outfit from scratch for wedding. तो उनको outfit from scratch से भी शादी करा रहे हो guys. Outfit from scratch बिना शादी के भी मिल जाएगा. अभी एक एक करके जो मेरे friends शादी करेंगे ना, उसको भी time है actually. तभी आपको मैं outfit from scratch दूंगी. Did I study to learn entrepreneurship? Actually no, this is my MBA on ground. She's saying you're doing great, thank you so much. I make a lot of mistakes, I learn from them and I keep going. Will I continue to be a content creator or switch to business full time? I don't want to ever have to choose between the two, so I don't think. I think there will be times where my business will take more time, there will be times when content will take more time, but that's okay. I just want to do these two till I can. ये स्टेज की लिपस्टिक से बहुत लिप्स ड्राई हो रहे हैं. ऑम्ब्रे बहुत सुंदर हुआ है, but I do not like that feel that I'm getting. This is actually a dupe of that Kiko Milano video that, you know, Kripa Patel does a lot on Instagram, that it's a transfer proof lipstick and Kiko Milano does not sell in India. So I thought I would buy it and do a video on that on Instagram. Seeing you with Reed gives me some hope coming from a fellow acne prone brown girly to you. Why? Acne prone brown girls don't fall in love. Okay. I'm sorry if somebody made you feel that way, but you will find someone who loves you irrespective of how your skin is feeling that time. खोया खोया लग रहा है आपका vlog कब आ रहा है? Vlog will come once a week. हमने finalize कर लिया, हम once a week upload करेंगे Wednesday और Thursday. कोई भी एक दिन पे mid week you will get a nice juicy लंबा video, या तो ऐसे लंबे sit downs या लंबा vlog. एक बार मैं हफ्ते में आपसे मिलूंगी मेरे चैनल पे और रोज Instagram पे. So please follow me on Instagram if you want to see my face every day and stay updated with my life. But vlog मैं डालूंगी. मैं vlog तो रोज ही कर रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि I'm not vlogging, but you just get to see like more accumulated stuff एक साथ. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved catching up with you all. I shared so much and I think all of this was just pent up inside me and I just wanted to catch you all up on what's happening, what I'm thinking, where I'm at in life. And thank you for being on this crazy journey of life with me through everything, right? हमने exams साथ में दिए इस channel पे, we've given exams, we've moved houses, we've built houses, we've bought cars, like we've bought a car together, we've done so much. Now we're building a business together. Everything has happened through your support and I love you guys. And never think that just because I'm not posting content or meeting you all as regularly, like 3 टाइम हफ्ते में अपलोड करती थी, फिर 2 अब एक ही बार कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बंद कर दूंगी. कभी भी बंद नहीं करूंगी, वो मेरा वादा है आपसे कि I will never stop posting content. But thank you for just supporting me through everything. I love you all and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button, like this video, that means a lot to me. For today's video, the Sarah Score shower goes to Sweetly Sakshi. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part next to your Sarah Score shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and it's just part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.